Here are some useful tips and tricks for spraying with the W690 FLEXIO Universal Sprayer. Always think about your health and safety. Always wear a mask and protective glasses, especially when working with solvent-based wood and metal paints. Ensure you maintain a constant spraying distance. This will guarantee a perfectly uniform paint application. For large areas and difficult to paint or highly absorbent surfaces, it is not always easy to achieve a uniform coverage in one coat. It is a good idea to coat these areas by spraying in a cross pattern. Simply spray from top to bottom and then go over the surface again from left to right. If the nozzle gets clogged, you can quickly unblock it using the tip of the enclosed stirrer. Also remember, if you are taking prolonged breaks from spraying, release the pressure by unscrewing, then screwing back on the paint container. This allows the pressure to be released and helps to ensure good results.